As you can surmise from our guest list, this facility and its renovation are the result of strong partnerships that go back several years from the local to the federal levels. That's no easy task. It also involves many generous donors, and we're grateful for each and every one of you. And you all will be involved in the celebration more intimately here in just a little bit. We are also especially grateful to Judge Ray Gunsa and the Aransas County Commissioners for working with us and making this all happen over the past few years, which ultimately led to the transfer of the ownership of the building to the college.
Whew. I was at home back during COVID days, I think, working from the house, and I get a phone call from John, and he says, "Hey Lenora, we got the opportunity for a grant. Do you think Del Mar would like to participate?" I said, "Well, of course, John. I mean, a top opportunity to work with my friends in Rockport." And that's really what began it. It began this long-time relationship, was that reach out. So John, it's up. Would you please come forward?
The next step, which is taking place shortly, is to seek construction bids from contractors so that remodeling can begin and hopefully be ready to open classes in the fall of this year. And if all goes well, we will then celebrate the opening of the Del Mar College Workforce Development Center in Aransas County. As you can see, this has been a long and winding journey that began as a dream almost 5 years ago at the Aransas County Partnership, and today I've covered 5 years in about 5 minutes. And on behalf of the future students of this facility and the faculty, especially all of our financial donors who believe this dream enough to make it happen, we cannot thank all of you enough for your parts you played, whether they were big or small, to get us to this point. And it has been satisfying to witness the mutual collaboration of Aransas County, Del Mar College, the City of Rockport, Rockport Fulton ISD, and the Aransas County Partnership EDC for pursuing the same goal. Today is indeed the result of all of us working together to achieve a common goal and purpose.
The theme for today, for our summit, ironically, was innovation and sustainability, and the fact that our area requires this moving forward. The reason we chose that theme was because 2 things need to happen moving forward. One, we need to get outside the box. We can't keep doing the same things we've tried. We've got to do some new things in order to create the opportunity that we all want within this community. 2, we need to do it together. And I think for those that were at the summit, partnerships, collaboration was one of the common themes. One of the biggest themes, as the chairman mentioned, was workforce. And being partnered with Del Mar College and having this asset now in Aransas County, I think positions us in an unbelievable way for the future, for not only the growth of Rockport and Aransas County, but for the greater coastal bend region.
The state of Texas is very, very proud of Del Mar and Aransas County. Jeff just held the economic summit. The big 3 issues: power, water, workforce, and you all are starting it. And I really want to thank everybody. Bottom line, be proud today. We've started economic development, Bert, Ray. Now it's time to kick off and make Aransas County the guiding light, everybody in the state of Texas.